Welcome everyone to my channel for today's tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through resolving issues with installing two specific updates, KB5034123 and KB5033920 on your Windows 11 system. Let's start with the initial troubleshooting step, which involves running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Navigate to the Start menu, proceed to Settings, select System, then scroll down and choose Troubleshoot. Under Other Troubleshooters, locate Windows Update, and click Run. After completion, restart your computer and attempt the update process again. Next, we'll address the Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Access the Services menu by typing Services into the Windows search box. Locate Windows Update, ensure its startup type is set to Automatic, apply the changes, and restart the service. Repeat the same process for the Background Intelligent Transfer Service. If the issue persists, consider using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Visit the provided link in the video description to download the tool. Run the executable file, follow the prompts, and install any pending updates. In case the Installation Assistant doesn't launch, adjust its compatibility settings by right-clicking the program, selecting Properties, navigating to the Compatibility tab, and choosing to run it in compatibility mode for Windows 7. Another option is to utilize the Microsoft Update Catalog. Follow the link provided, search for the specific update, ensure compatibility with your system version, download the update, and install it manually. If none of the above methods resolve the issue, resetting Windows Update components might help. Copy the provided commands from the video description, save them in Notepad as a batch file, run it as an administrator, and restart your system. As a last resort, you can use the Media Creation tool to update Windows 11. Download it from the provided link, run the executable file, create an ISO file, and perform a clean installation if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully install the required updates on your Windows 11 system. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.